This is how to stake a vegetable plant for upward growth. In this particular case, we're going to focus on this tomato. As we can see, the pepper plant in store already had the stake that came with it. So we're gonna do the same thing for the tomato plant. You're gonna start off with a dowel rod. This one obviously is way too high, so we're going to have to reduce the height. What you're gonna wanna do is kind of reduce the height to about 2/3 of the way up. So in order to do that, what we do is we take our dowel rod here, we sort of eyeball it between here and here. This is where we're gonna make that cut. Right there, we take out our pruners and we cut at a diagonal. So when you take this, you're going to wanna straighten it out. Keep it very, very parallel. Keep it as straight up as you can. And then go all the way down to the bottom of the container. So make sure that that's stable. Work your foliage around the stake. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take this garden tie tape. This is Bond brand. There are a lot of good brands, but this brand has really, really excellent tape for this kind of situation. We're not gonna tie too tight, so we're going to take our strip of tape off. And we're going to basically cut it to about the length we need. So in this particular case, about 4 or 5 inches should do. Then we're going to find a place on this stake that would make sense to keep it stabilized. In this case, we'll go a little bit high on this one. Keep it loose if you can. You don't want it to be pressed up against too tightly. That's gonna actually slow down the upward growth. So you don't want to slow down the upward momentum of your tomato plant. So with this, we keep it up and we keep it stable, and then we're going to have better fruit production on this tomato plant. And that is how you stake a vegetable for upward growth. Are you looking for more product advice and wisdom from me?
Or me?
Or me?
Hit that subscribe button or head over to thedesirecompany.com for more classes, how-tos, and reviews.